Hi everyone. This video are for those that were either absent on Monday or maybe needs a little extra help in calculating your birthday coordinates. So this assignment that you see on my screen that I have open is called The Best Place in the World Using Your Birthday Coordinates. It could be found in Canvas under Modules. So I'm going to go really slow and I'm going to use the document that we already all have access to. So this is the first page. This is the actual assignment, what you'll be turning in. There is also a template attached in Canvas that you can use to answer these questions once we find your place. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to have two hyperlinks listed here that you can use for your research once you find your place. And these two images here will give you an understanding of why longitude runs west on one side versus east on the right, and latitude runs north on the top and south at the bottom because of the equator that runs in the middle for latitude and due to the prime meridian that runs in the center. So if we scroll down, for latitude and longitude, you'll need a direction. You'll need to know whether you're going north or south for latitude and whether you're going east or west for longitude. We're going to go really slow, step by step. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to write your birthday down. So this is mine, 12/16/1979. That's my birthday. You're going to put birth month, birth day, and then birth year. The following step is this. You can use a calculator as it may be easier for some of you. You're going to take your birthday, which mine is the 16th, and you're going to divide it by how many days are in the month you were born. So because I was born in December, and December has 31 days, I divide 16 divided by 31, and I received this decimal. Following this step is you multiply the decimal by 90 because we are finding our latitude. If you go back up here, latitude 90 degrees. You're going to multiply that decimal by 90 and it's going to head north or south. We're going to look at that in just a minute once we get the final answer. Now, your numbers are not going to be the same as your neighbor. You all have different birth days and months, and your number might not even look close to mine, especially if you're born in January, keeping in mind that I'm born in December. So my latitude was 46.45, and I know that it's south because my birth year is odd. So I'll explain. My birth year is 1979. That last number there, 9, is an odd number. If your birth year lands in an odd number, like 2009, you're going to use S for south. If your birth year lands in 2010, which is even, you're going to use N for north. So my final latitude is 46 south. And that's what you would write on the little card. All right, longitude is very similar. The only thing that's different is we're going to find out what day of the year you were born. If there are 365 days in a year, you were born on one of them, okay? So I was born in December at the very, very end of the year. So that's why I was born on the 304th day. Now to find this day, you're going to have to head to Google. And you can type in something like, which day does January 14th, 2010 land on in the year out of 365 days? Okay, you can ask it something like that. Once you have your day, this is going to take a few minutes, be patient. Once you find your day, you're going to divide it by the days of the year. You're going to take your number, like I did, 304 divided by 365, and get that long decimal again, and then you're going to multiply it times 180 for longitude. So my final answer was 149.91. Okay, now same thing again with the birth year. My birth year is still odd at 1979, so I'm going to head east. If your birth year is even, you're going to head west. And these are my final coordinates, and if we were to round these, it would look like this. 46 south for my latitude, and then 150 east for my longitude. And that's how we're going to plot our birthday coordinates on the map. If you're still struggling with this, upon my return, I will help you find your birthday coordinate place. And so in the meantime, it would be best for you to go ahead and look at the 5 themes of geography slides and tree map or note taking. Kind of read through those, and you can also start studying for your US map, which will be on Monday. Right. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.